That's shake and bake, and I did it myself. Remember those commercials? You have to be kind of old like me in order to remember those commercials. And I really, the shake and bake, I don't know if it originally was just for pork chops or if they was just for chicken at first or what. I think it originally was for pork chops. But that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to use the Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer to do that on. And you know what? I haven't read the directions. I don't think ever on this. They say heat it in a rosemary in a shallow dish. Spread chops with mustard? Really? I have never done that. All I've used as a bonding agent was water. So that's what we're going to do today. That's what I'm used to doing, and it seems to work just fine to me. But even Grey Poupon mustard? Come on, really? Shake and bake. The original pork. Yeah, in the air fryer. Let's give it a whirl. All right, let's bread them up. I got one already done. You can see it there. I take my shake and bake mix. I don't put any other seasonings in. I like the seasoning just the way it is. Put it on a paper plate. Take one of my chops, and then I just run it under some cold water. You hear it running. Sorry about that. I should have done that prior. And then I just pat it into the breading there. Now, if you're one of these people that have to get the sides too, you can get the sides too. And flip it over. Pat it down into the breading. Remember, wash your hands real good. And then I like to flip them twice and get the breading nice and thick on there. This is just the one packet. There's 2 packets in this box, and that'll do 4 of these chops. So get the other ones done, and then we'll get her going. All right, so ready to go on. I got the shake and bake. I did it myself. And no mustard, it's just water. And because pork is very lean. It's not like my last cook on the air fryer, I did chicken legs that I breaded with pretzels. I used some sourdough hard pretzels that I made into a breading, and oh man, was that good, folks! But those I didn't put anything on there. So on these, because it's really lean, I sprayed just a little bit of oil in there. That'll help brown up that breading. And the chicken I didn't have to, because the chicken's got enough natural fat in there. As it cooks, it comes out and makes things brown up very nicely. So onto the air fryer. Get you here so you can see what I'm doing here. And I always cook on, what do we always cook on? We always cook on high. And that's 400 on this one. We're gonna go 15 minutes. Give them a flip at 15, give you a look-see. All right, folks, there's the beeper. That's 15 minutes on the Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, we're gonna give these a flip and put them back on for probably another 10, and then give you a look-see. All right, folks, we did 15 minutes on one side, flipped them, did another 5 minutes, and that's you can see we're 14, whatever, 4 more minutes, but we're not gonna wait. But look at that. Oh man, that's nice looking chops right there. Let's get them plated up, give you a look-see. Well, that's shake and bake. I did it myself. I'll tell you what. Oh man, look at that. Look at how juicy it is. Right there. Oh, man. Mm. Oh. It's hot. So, I did it myself. I can do it, so can you. Tom Horseman YouTube. Thanks for watching.